Namaste children, I am Tulsi, your classical dance teacher. I am very happy that even during the lockdown period, the learning has been continuous. Initially, when we thought of teaching online, we had so many doubts. How we can teach, how the children will be able to learn. But now, that's you who proved that the learning can happen even from home with the same intensity which happens in the school. Really hats off to you children for this. This makes us feel very happy and more responsible to teach you. Let's come to the subject now. As you all know that I teach Kuchipudi, let's learn a little bit about classical, okay, Kuchipudi dance. This Kuchipudi dance is a ballet tradition. That means there will be a lot of characters played by people. Initially, the classical dance, this Kuchipudi dance was only male tradition. That means only men used to perform, and even all the roles only men used to play. That means even female characters, every character. This is a ballet tradition, as I told you. There will be so many roles. Suppose you take any mythology, any story, any content if you take, there will be so many characters. All the characters were played by men only. So there is like, people are thinking that classical dance is girls dance. I heard many kids saying classical dance is girls dance. No, it's not. Kuchipudi was initially only men tradition. Later, Guru Sri Vedantam Lakshmi Narayana Sastri Garu introduced female into this Kuchipudi dance tradition. So since then, even girls and boys are equally playing all the roles in this Kuchipudi dance. So there is nothing to think that it is girls dance or boys dance. Equally, boys and girls can learn this dance. If you see any programs, classical programs, you can see Lord Shiva and Parvati dancing. See that Lord Shiva's dance, how masculine that dance is. And see Goddess Parvati dancing, how graceful the dance is. So in dance, both are there, the vigorous part of that and the graceful part of that. So both are there in this dance. So depending on the character, we have to involve ourselves into the dance and perform that way. Depending on the character, we need to take that role and then just act accordingly. So there is no boy dance, girl dance in classical. So both are played equally according to the character. So now today we will learn Tillana. Maybe pure classical dance would be a little bit difficult for you to learn from home. So what I am taking is like I am taking a little fusion music, so that it will be a little bit easy for you. And as you are learning by seeing the videos, I actually prefer taking fusion music, so it will be a little bit easy for you.
Janana janana tanana tanana tom, janana janana tanana tanana tom, janana janana tanana tanana janana janana tanana tanana tom tom, janana janana tanana tanana tom tom, janana janana tanana tanana geeta dhuni ko takadhim na trikita tom naach rahe gori taai tai tai tom tira tom geeta dhuni ko takadhim na trikita tom naach rahe gori taai tai tai tom tira tom geeta dhuni ko takadhim na trikita tom naach rahe gori taai tai tai tom tira tom geeta dhuni ko takadhim.
We are doing Kuchipudi dance, children. In Kuchipudi dance, and not only in Kuchipudi dance, any classical dance form, when we are doing, we have to maintain the position that is Saustubam. Okay, this posture, right? We have to keep our back straight. So we should not do like that. If we do like that, see, there is no beauty. So there is a rule that there should be Saustubam. You check this posture, and you have to maintain this posture throughout dance. Okay, and there is one more position that is called Mandala position. You need to open your legs like this. Okay, there should be 3 finger distance in between the both feet, and you need to bend your knees. This is called Mandala position. Almost the whole dance is in this Mandala position only. In between there is swing step. There are swing steps, but almost dance is in mandala position. Okay, we have to maintain this both, this posture and mandala. So we look good when we do classical dance. Okay, now let's start dance, children. First step, as I told you, this position mandala and Saustramam. Okay, now jump on toes. 1. Okay, 1, 2. Stamp with your left leg and stretch your right leg, children. 1, 2. At a time we need to do both. 1, 2 and 3 also same as 1. Jump on toes. Now stand your right leg and lift your left leg. Okay. Let's do the second step. Same mandalam position. Now you need to start with your right leg. Stand with your right leg. 1. Lift and place it on the left corner like this. Cross, you have to keep your leg. Shift your body's weight onto the right leg and the left leg is completely stretched. There is no bend at the knee. Once again I will show you. 1, 2, 3. After that, it's very simple. We need to take a round. Just take a round and again position. Okay? I'll show you hand movement for this. 1. Take both the hands up. Turn your right hand and keep it on the left side. Once again we do 1, 2, 3. Okay, and when we take a turn, bring your hand back. Just take a turn with your hands. Now we will do both hand movement and leg movement. 1, 2, 3 and turn. As this song is very fast, we have to do this one in 2 counts only. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how you have to do this step. Jump on your toes. 1, 1, 2. Put your weight on right leg and stretch your left leg. 1, 2. At a time we need to do, children. 1, 2 and 3 also same as 1, 3. Now stamp with your left leg and lift your right leg. 4. Now I will show you hand movement for the children. This is Katka Mukha Mudra. 1, 2. Stretch your left hand and take your right hand up. Now look at your right side. That is your left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch your left hand and you see right side. Keep your focus on the right side only. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Shall we do both hand movement and leg movement together? Come, let's start. Sit in mandalam, back straight, Saustramam position. 1, 2. See, stretch your left hand. 3, 4. Lift your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you still have to see wherever your hand is there, that side you need to see, that is right side. You have to see right side. 3, 4. Still you will be seeing right side only. Okay, children. Now same thing we have to do on the other side also. Come, I will show you. Position now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we are stamping our left leg and stretching our right leg. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the whole step, children. Until you get it, you practice this step. After that, we will go to the next step. Let's learn the third step now, children. Start with your right leg. Okay. Point your right toe. Okay. After you point it, then lift your right leg, place it back, keep your left leg on heel. This is, here what we are doing is Suchi Pada, that is pointed toe. This is called Suchi Pada. Keep your leg back and keep your left leg on heel, that is Anchita Pada. Very simple it is. And the hand movement is this. 1, this. Bring your right hand on your right shoulder. Left hand Ardha Chandra Mudra on your left thigh. And looks, you focus on the left side. We'll do both together. 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, there is a step with your left leg. Okay, take your left leg back. 1. Now with your right leg, 2. With your left leg, 3. Okay, this is 3 count step which you need to do it for 2 times. See, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. When you do this, you must have observed this neck movement also we need to do. Head movement like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We'll do the whole step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again we need to jump on toes. 1, 2. Now we have stamped our right leg and lifted our left leg. Whenever we lift, children, we need to see that this leg is completely stretched. Okay, with this, like this. 1, 2. Stamping your right leg and lifting your left leg. Same thing on the other side. 3, 4. And hand movement for this. Very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Together now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to repeat this step on the other side also. With your left leg and left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to keep your right leg on heel. Now take your right leg back. That is 1, 2, 3 step. See? 1, 2, 3. Right, left, right. Okay, we will do the whole step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we have to jump on toes. 1. Now stand your left leg, lift your right leg. 2, 3, 4. Okay, hand movement. With the hand movement now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole step we will do now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next step, children. And this is called Taita Kirtaka step. Observe the leg movement, children, first. First, you need to stand your left leg. At the same time, we need to lift our right leg. 1. Okay. 2. Place your right leg on heel. 3. Take your left leg back. 4. Jump on toes. 4. Once again, we'll do 1, 2 on heel, 3 on toe, 4. After this, we have to go back in the same direction. 5. Stamp your right leg. 6. Keep your left leg on heel. 7. Take your leg back. 8. Jump on toes. We will do the whole step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And hand movement for this. First start with your Khataka Mukha. Make your hands into Adha Padma Mudra. Again Khataka Mukha. When you take your hands up, bring them back to Adha Padma. Back to position. And we have to do this step along with the body bending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will do with the music only once, just to make you understand. I did twice, children. Take your right leg back. Keep it on toe. 1, 2. Place it on heel. Just take a turn. Once again we'll do with our right leg we are doing now on toe. Just tap your leg on toe. 2. Good turn. See, now our left leg is back, so bring it and tap. 3, 4. Just turn. Okay, once again I will show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. With hand movement now. Ala Padma, cross your hands. 1, 2. Bring your left hand forward. 3, 4. Bring your right hand forward. Both. 1. Tap your right leg. Bring your right leg forward. And left hand is front. Stretch. 3, 4. Jump on toes twice. 1, 2. Then stand your right leg and lift your left leg. Once again. 1, 2, 3. Same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Hand movement for this. 1, 2. When we jump on toes, don't shake this. No. We will only jump on toes. Keep your hands here. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, stretch your right hand and then left hand is up. Same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Okay, once again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Stand with your right leg. 1 and jump right side. Very simple. Jump. While you jump, children, you need to jump one after the other. Suppose we are going right side, our right leg, we need to start with our right leg. See? Starting, jumping. Start with your right leg. Now, with your left leg, stand and jump. Okay? And then jump forward. That's it. Hand moving now. 1, 2. Hold your hands like this. Okay? Then 3, 4, again holding, and then keep your hands here and just jump forward. Okay, both hand movement and leg movement I will show you now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The hands up to down and take a back step. Right? Open your right leg. Just move your hands this way. Lift your left leg.